Hey friends, today we will be seeing the story behind gender equality. कहानी gender equality की. So how it began? Let's move to frame 3 of our movie. When industrial revolution was at its peak, even today when the demand was so much but supply was less, somebody has to come out ना, किसी को तो काम करना पड़ेगा. So here comes the frame 2. Who will work? So after the war and so much of depression, industrialization was booming and what it needed? Rozgar, manpower. But who will be their manpower? Who is more efficient than a woman? Why not hire a woman? Let's lure them into this. You will get power, you will get money, you will get status. Why do so much at work? Why do so much work at home? घर का इतना सारा काम क्यों करते हो? बाहर आइए, पैसे कमाइए. बट हु विल टेक केयर ऑफ होम? नहीं, वो क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछना है. घर का काम बाद में करेंगे, पहले बाहर का काम करना है. देन केम द फ्रेम 4 where women were raised. उनके अंदर की आत्मशक्ति जाग उठी. खुशी खुशी वो डबल काम करने लगे, घर का भी, बाहर का भी, बाहर का भी, घर का भी. And they were empowered. They felt empowered to do so much. And this way हम empowered हो गए. Is it? Now get to the frame 5. How we are empowered. Still I have everything, but फिर भी यार आदमी की जैसी इज्जत नहीं है. I want that status. I want that status. You can have so many things in life, you have love, care, power, kindness, you have so many. No. ये नहीं चाहिए था. I want to be like man. I want to be man. I want to do everything he'll do. ये movies तो बहुत अच्छे बन रहे हैं लेकिन male lead नहीं मिल पा रहा है. Ma'am, you will get the male lead. Okay. So I get the male lead. I am equal to man now. Yes, I am man. But why this frame is shifting? There are hazards also. Oh, due to industrial revolution, the families have suffered so much. Oh. Okay, man has played with me. Dual game. Oh no. Oops. So all the dignity, marriage and institution of marriage, kids and all the love, warmth, कहाँ गया? ये सारी चीज़ें तो as it is चाहिए था. But who has the time, babes? But मैं भी तो कर सकती हूँ ना. Why have the institution of marriage? Why to have it at all? I can do anything. I live like any other man. In fact, मैं man क्या, मैं इंसान की तरह ही नहीं रहूँगी. We can do anything. We can just hang out with animals or so. But let's have a look at frame 1. When a baby is born, she is born with her true identity, in sync with biological makeup. Her place was reserved at home. She was the queen of the house. She didn't need to prove anything. She had the whole autonomy to ascend to newer heights, do whatever she can, contribute to whatever and whomever she felt was in need, but keeping her needs at priority in the first place. But man played with her capabilities and he demeaned her. Actually, she demeaned her own values. She didn't find value in what she did, where she was already in the safest place.